Here we go with the Google Pixel 10 Pro that I basically got for free. Actually, I got it for more than free, better than free. I got $200 as a bonus when I upgraded to the Google Pixel 10 Pro over the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Gotta keep all these numbers straight. I'm not a math guy. Is Jedi doing math homework right now?
Sorry about that. So 4 goes into 25 times. What's 5 times 4?
I wish I had Google Gemini when I was going through long division problems. Oh, I'm sorry, am I interrupting? Okay, I'm just saying, it would have been nice to have AI, you know, at the time where it's just me.
Long division can be tough, but you're doing great.
I'm thinking about putting a Christmas tree right here. If not there, then maybe there? Silent room, empty room. Maybe I'll put some presents there soon. I'll put a link to where you can get your own somewhere in the video description, assuming y'all look at video descriptions. I may have to put together a permanent Halloween shelf for some of the Star Wars things, including these keychains. Some of the keychains I've actually unmade because I didn't necessarily want them to be keychains with a little, what would you call the keychain hole on top? Yeah, a keychain hole? I 3D printed an extra array of Star Wars cats for a friend's daughter. She said that the daughter might want one, or 5. These are tiny. You can't tell how tiny they are because you have nothing for scale. I'm closer in now, right on top of them, with Rocket whining in the background. She thinks they're real pumpkins. They're not. You can't eat them. Were you hearing some kind of weird audio click in at least those previous clips that I just recorded? Because when I played them back here on the phone, it sounded like the phone was purring. And Pixels are not supposed to purr. Period. At least, not that I know of. They're small. Of course, you could print them larger, which I did as far as the Darth Vader pumpkin was concerned. I think this is the final dock. It's got all the ports I need, minus optical audio. I will miss that, but I did end up buying a USB-C to coaxial adapter that works fine, even when the volume's a little muted at first when audio's playing back. I don't know why that happens. I don't know what the delay's all about. I ran into one issue with a mic that I had plugged in, the NT USB Mini from Rode. It was making me sound like a robot sometimes during tonight's Twitch live stream when I was vibe coding, and I'm grateful that a couple people said, hey, you're having problems. I have not 1, not 2, but 3 Thunderbolt docks that I'm going to be selling to anybody who wants to buy them. These were, or currently are, mine. The one that I'd been using for quite some time, a backup that had never been opened of the Thunderbolt 3 dock, and then the Thunderbolt 4 dock. As you see, they're all OWC. That's what I was trying to stay with, because I was, happy with how this one performed over all these years. We're vibe cooking. Well, Gretchen knows what she's doing. She's got a recipe for a carrot soup, and I really don't like cooked carrots at all, but this soup is easily top 3 soups in my life. Just had it a couple days ago, and I asked for it again by name because it's that good. Like, I swear I ate my weight in carrot soup the other day. It was so good. Oh, wow, man, that's a double rainbow. What does it mean?
Look at all the way.
What does it mean?
All the way.
Hon, what does it mean? It's a double rainbow. So beautiful. Well, it's an old YouTube video that went viral. Like one of the first viral videos on YouTube.
Was it double rainbow?
Yeah, it was a double rainbow. Just Google like double rainbow guy. Like it's got to be like the first result. Has to be. What does it mean? Somewhere over. You have no idea how high. I'm using the wide angle lens right now. It's shooting up like straight into the sky. Well, yeah, that's what a rainbow does. But I'm saying it's like a high rainbow, not a low rainbow. It's very bowed.
Yes.
With rain. I think we have all colors represented easily. Yeah, because I can see everything except for ultraviolet. I can't see ultraviolet. Nobody can. Okay, let's go eat some soup. Okay. Voila! A perfect carrot soup. Even though it looks more like turmeric soup. There's no turmeric in here, believe it or not. And yes, that is the perfect spatula because it's a Star Wars spatula. You know where I got it? Spatula City. Yeah, Spatula City. We got a problem. This spoon is gonna make sure that what is this? A diet spoon? The spoon's got like holes in it. How the hell are you supposed to serve anything? The spoon's got holes in it. What are you laughing at? That's gonna crash at like 3 in the morning, dude.
It's not.
Are you sure?
I'm feeling all the parts. It's very clear.
You do realize that's like famous last words, and then it just goes tumbling. Okay.
If there's an earthquake, then we have bigger problems.
Oh yeah, way bigger problems.
If we have an earthquake, that's what would take that down.
Yeah,
so
easily.
Don't worry about other things if we have an earthquake.
All right. And that's the bastard that started it all. Oh my God, it's past midnight. Oh, did I tell you that the case I'm using on the Pixel 10 Pro here is a thin-born case? Super, super thin. I definitely know my new Ethernet port is working. I've never scored this high on the desktop for a download. But I have even better news. I mean, better display. By default, I can't get to 144 hertz, but now I can, and I have proof. I'm running a UFO test, and indeed, 144 frames per second. I don't get many popcorn buckets, but we were invited to see the new Tron Ares movie ahead of time. I did buy this, though, with my own money, and it turns on, check this out, little arcade cabinet, and you can set it down and move the little joystick. Isn't that wild? I actually liked the movie. And I know that some people didn't, or at least earlier reviews suggest that, you know, they're kind of mixed reactions, but I thought it was really good. Like a good popcorn movie. Something that you just sit back and enjoy. They sent me a press kit for Caught Stealing on digital now and Blu-ray. And I already took out the bulk of what was in the box, but
Yeah.
Jedi,
What?
there seems to be something more.
Ew, why are you touching it?
Oh, does this thing have, a lock? Yep.
What? Oh my god. Wait, can I keep these? Can I keep these?
You're rich.
No, can we keep these? Can I keep these?
Yeah, I guess.
They got a CD!
Hun, that's
Or a cassette.
very good. Wow.
Dad, look!
What? Oh, it's a Walkman. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, a t-shirt, I'm guessing. Yeah.
Dad!
Okay, yeah. What do we got? A Tamagotchi. Nice.
The camera.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
Yeah. The way that we used to take them with film. Oh, wow. This is a good press kit or media kit or whatever they call them.
Wait, there's something in here.
Money. Wow. Oh, and bubble wrap. Oh, what was in there, huh? So someone took a bite of your cookie already here. Someone stole a bite, I guess. Oh, man. Paul's bar must be in the movie as well as the pint glass, which would be great to fill today. Hey, do you have any holes in your jeans? I do, actually. Check this out. Yeah, I could totally put the patch there or get Gretchen's help.
Oh, no.
Mm-hmm. Now, this is funny. It must be something, again, from the movie, but there used to be something called RSS.
Yeah.
And it says arsehole, RSS hole. Oh, that's awesome. Looks like I'm going to have to share this in my social feeds.
What?
This. You can't bite, don't show your teeth. Gotcha. Wow, you got it in there, mostly. Yes.
Wait.
You sure it goes in that way?
Yeah.
Okay. We need 2 AA batteries.
Where are the 2 AA batteries?
Well, they're in the drawer that you are looking through. Can you hear anything?
No.
Really?
Oh, yeah. You put it on.
I have to say that the Pixel 10 Pro camera has not impressed me. It's okay, but if you didn't already notice, there were some audio issues with the various video recordings and various situations over the past few weeks or months or however long it took for me to get this thing done. You know, sometimes you get so busy living life that you forget to capture the moments. How do I look? Stylish? That's the answer. Troy Bradshaw, thank you so much for sending this cap along. I've been wanting it for quite some time. I've had my classic Resistance cap that I got like when Jedi was just a toddler, and it's fine, don't get me wrong, but this one just seems a lot more, well, colorful, because it is. The other one's just basically, well, you've seen it. It's the Resistance or Rebellion symbol on black. That's it. But this just seems to be so much more. I ended up using AI to generate these Star Wars little people in the same spirit of Star Tots. Maybe I'll go back and Star Tot these. These are definitely not Star Tots. They are little people. You know, you've seen those figurines where their arms are spread wide. These are modern little people. Speaking of AI, someone used it to generate these two Simpsons characters, Bart and Homer. You can definitely tell AI was used because the fingers aren't exactly accurate, but I think, he did a pretty good job, or she did a pretty good job. I wound up using the Gerpel filament just because I had some extra. I also did this Yoda holding an empty pumpkin. I suppose I could throw snacks in there. Then there was someone who uploaded a series in one file, thankfully, of all of these Star Wars figurines. They stand roughly the same height, and they all have bases, which is good because otherwise I have a feeling they would fall over. Maybe I'll reprint them without bases to see if they do fall over. I think my favorite of the bunch is this Stormtrooper that's got a kid Stormtrooper riding Yoda back. And now I have all of these in my collection. And a squeaky back. That's actually the chair. And no matter what I do, I cannot fix the squeak. It's just going to squeak forever. Whether I move up and down. Okay, that one was my back. Gretchen said I need to have more plants around here. So I got this one, the Lego Super Mario Piranha plant. And we could put it together as long as it doesn't bite us. Gretchen also said I needed more Lego and Star Wars, so...
It's just not enough. It's really not enough.
And Gretchen also said we have to start getting ready for the holiday season. And when the Lego Gingerbread AT-AT went on sale with the special Gingerbread Darth Vader minifigure, of course I had to jump on it. Well, not literally, but I've got one. I am done. I'm moving back to macOS Sequoia, forgetting about Tahoe. Hopefully, I will never have to use Tahoe, although if I upgrade my Mac when they release a new system, I may have no choice but to get Tahoe at that point, and theoretically, bugs may be fixed by then. The Great Lego Puzzle Book, which is great because it's about puzzles and Lego bricks. And this is from No Starch Press. They sent it to me. They've published a variety of other titles featuring Lego bricks, which is one of the reasons why every time I get an email saying, hey, we got a new Lego book, would you like a copy? I'm like, yeah! I'm swapping out my PC and replacing it with a mini Mac. Mini Mac. See, it wouldn't be a Mac Mini because I read from left to right. It's a mini Mac. And yeah, I know I'm not very happy with the direction of Apple software lately, but I can't really find anything better for the time being. So I thought I would, quote unquote, cheap out, got the lowest possible configuration that I could find with the intent to potentially swap it out maybe a year later if I decide to stick with macOS and go with an upgraded model. But for the time being, I need to get rid of the PC that's powering the live streams. Yeah, I'm kind of addicted to Sora. It's the new social network from ChatGPT, and it's fun.
Yo, check it. Pixel bass drops. I'm in my zone. Shelf stacked high with the plastic I own. Blister pack shine like a neon throne. 8-bit beat and I'm never alone. Mint on card, keep the corners tight. Square wave kick with a triangle hi-hat bite. Lights are firing, feel them in my veins. Now that bass, I'm rewinding, rewiring the game. 8-bit heartbeat moving to the code. Oh, oh, oh. Glitching groove, we explode. Hands up higher, let the colors glow. Kick that chip to let it overflow. We're neon.
That song you just heard me rap wasn't me. It was an AI version of me. And I'm telling you, this stuff is magic.
Layer, I'm stacking the plan. Plastic on the plate like a pastry pan. Code flowing, your boy in command. Heated bed glowing like a sunrise tan. Watch it rise, yeah, the model's alive. Point too high, every line precise. The flow like a kernel compiled. Bits flip quick when I spit in style. Lines of code in the rhythm, I'm a syntax lord. Dropping Easter eggs you can't ignore. Clock cycles in my veins, overclock with the heat. Got the GPU glowing when I stomp on the beat. I'm the Geek Squad boss. I code in my veins and caffeine in my cup. Tab stacked high when the beat fires up. Binary bars, ones and zeros in the groove. Living up every time that the needle moves. I debug the rhythm, let the syntax ride. Pushing commits while the kick drum slides. Motherboard mindset. Let's open the gateway, now I boot the groove. Voltage in the veins while the packets move. Code in my cadence, I'm streaming in 4K. Lines so sleek that the kernel obeys. Stacking my rhymes like data in a queue. Zero latency, nothing I can't do. Geek mode, code in my veins, I rearrange. Pixel perfect flow, lighting up the frame. Collectibles behind me, but I'm out on the stage. From basement to skyline, vibe upgrade. No auto raw vocal with the glasses glare. Every bar sharp like a saber of air. Flick the light switch.
Is it perfect today? No. Will it only improve? Yes. It's incredible. It's kind of addictive. We put together Gretchen's first Lego set the other day. Looks good. Although she has convinced me to print out these Death Stars instead of the other various plant holding container things. I think they just call them planters. So I'm going to have 5 or 6 in a monochromatic array right here, where, you know, she can tend to the real plants. I can stick with the fake ones.
Out here in the heart of the city, walking these dusty streets, and it feels like I'm on another planet, because technically I am. The buildings are all made from this sun-baked stone and shaped into these smooth domes. Check out that tower behind me.
'Tis the season for sipping chocolate. I think I need more sipping going on here. Less chocolate. I found a better place for that multicolored light string. I think Jedi happens to agree. Kind of neat to have that there. Works better in her room than it does in mine. Play Action Toys is back in the saddle. He just released a Rey figure. This was a mean one. I ran into a couple of issues. Fiddly in spots, but not bad for free. And not being a multicolor print, had to glue all the pieces in place. With everything else going up in price, it's nice to see that some things haven't. Or won't. I'm telling you, 3D printing is the best way to collect these days. Well, will you look at that? I now have a whole house surge protector. So for those keeping track, recently I've upgraded a monitor, downgraded an operating system, swapped out a computer, going to be upgrading the network. Thanks to everybody who participated in the first Virtual Control Alt Create vibe coding event. One of them got a 3D printer. Yep, I've been busy.
Can you tell from there, like, your feelings about the color combinations? I don't know with this one, I'm not. I like this in here. I like this one because the silvery, you see, like in the low metallic. These are up for grabs. I think these two I feel more sold on these 3.
Yeah, they seem fine.
Or it could be like that.
Yep.
Better.
This is like going to the eye doctor.
Or this one.
Number 1,
No,
number 2.
not-
Nope, definitely
no.
not.
This. These two.
Try swapping.
I don't know. It's this color. I don't.
Yeah, I like that.
That better. Okay, like that will hang over. Or
Rocket, stop eating the soil.
Or that. I think this one. Yep. Because you can see the contrast of those leaves better, right?
I'm going to start potting one over here as well, Gretchen. Just so you know. What are you laughing at? What? Gretchen did some reorganizing, and I think I like it. Normally, when change happens like this, I want to change things back, but I think this new arrangement works. Not sure I'm going to keep the Super Mario Brothers plant there, though. It may move downstairs with the other retro gaming things. I may be putting the bonsai tree on the kitchen table. That just means I'm going to be moving the succulents. Mr. Miyagi would be proud. Not bad. Not bad. Dang it, got dark quickly. This is what they call the blue hour. I walked outside and it blew me away.